A very good morning, students. We have started the revision of the chapter number 3, Creating Tables in Word 2013. So today we will start to revise, that is the aligned text. Aligned text. Students, the word which you are finding here, that is the aligned text. So here, what is align? Aligning text means repositioning data in the cells. Aligned text. Aligned text means repositioning of data in the cells. This is the alignment of text. And students, there are 9 alignment options is available in Word 2013. 9 alignment options. 9 alignment options are present there. So, what are they? First I am telling here. See the right hand side, my right hand side. See the first. Align top left, align top right, align top center. Then align center left, align center right, align center in the middle, align bottom left, align bottom right, align bottom center. These are the options. So here, with the help of this box, you can understand. See here, this is the alignment of text. Alignment of text. So, at the top which you are finding, at the top here, which you are finding. See here, this icon is left hand side. So you can say align top left. Second is align. Second here, align top right. So you can say align top right. And the middle which you are finding, so you can say align top center. So at the top, align left, align right, align center. Just like that, but come in the middle of this, align top center. Align top center. The first word, align top center. The middle. Then align center left. In the middle, align center left. This is the align center left. And this is the align center right. Same thing is there. So this is the top, this is the center, and next is the bottom. You can say that is the bottom. Bottom. So here the icon which is left hand side, you can say align bottom left, which is right hand side, you can say align bottom right, and which one is the middle, so you can say align bottom center. So these are the alignment options are available in MS Word. With the help of these options, we can repositioning of data. Repositioning of data with the help of the alignment. How we can repositioning the data? Just I am going to tell you. Repositioning of data. See here. First of all, take the step 1. Step 1. Select the cells and click on Layout tab. Select the cells. Select the cell and click on Layout tab. This is the first option. Select the cells and click on Layout tab. The first step is clear. Then you will use the step 2. Now we have to select any alignment text from the list which is appear. Select an alignment option. Select an alignment option from the alignment group. From the alignment group. So here only 2 steps you have to use for repositioning of the data from the table. Anywhere you can reposition the data according to the selection of the option of alignment text. First step, what you will take is step 1. Select cells and click on Layout tab. So which data you have to select? According to the option, you can select the cells, and after that you will click on the Layout tab. Clear? then you will take the step 2. Select an alignment option. From these 9 options, you can select any option for repositioning the data. Select an alignment option from the alignment group. So whenever you will select the alignment option from the group and click on the mouse, you will find the cells which you have defined or which cells we have selected. That will be repositioning of the data according to the alignment option. This is the way how we can align the text. After the text which you have to read, that is changing border style and cell shading. Changing border style and cell shading. Changing border style and cell shading. The next topic. So, what we will find here? We can change the border style. Listen the sentence. We can change the border style, color and shaded effect in the cells. So, in the cells which if you want to change the border style which is already drawn, and if you want to change, you can change. If you want to make the different colors there, you can select the colors, and shaded effect can also be possible in the cells. So this is the way, changing border style and cell shading. What the steps you have to take? First of all, to apply border. First of all, to apply border, you have to take the steps, different steps you have to take. Step 1, select the entire table. Select the entire table or the cell whose border or cell shading, whose border or cell shading has to be changed. This is the first step. Then what you will do? Step 2, you will click on the design tab. Click on design tab, second step. Step third, click on border style. Click on border style from the border group. From the border group. Then take the step 4. Step 4. Select any style from the gallery. Select any style from the gallery. And what is step 5? Step 5, click on the borders. Click on the borders cell. Click on the borders of the cell. Click on the border of the cell of the table to apply the selected style. To apply the selected style, and after that, step 6, press ESC key. Press ESC key. Now see here students, changing border style and shading. To apply borders, how we can apply the new border style? So steps I have given here. Step 1. Select the entire table or the cell whose border or cell shading has to be changed. So the first step you are taking, first of all you will select the cells or from the table whose border has to be changed. This is the first step. After that, second step, step 2. Click on Design tab. A box will appear on the screen. In that one you will find the Design tab. You will put the cursor on Design tab and click on the Design tab. So you have selected the Design tab, which type of tab you have to use. In the step 3 you will find here. Click on Border Style. Click on Border Style from the border group. A border group will display on the screen, and from that screen, that screen you can find, or you can say from the border, we can select any border there. So click on Border Style from the border group. Any option which are displaying, you can select any border style from that group. Select any style from the gallery. So the gallery which is displaying, so what you have to do, you have to select any option from the gallery. So whenever you have selected, so step 5, take the step 5, click on the borders of the cell where we have to apply the cell border, like this one. Okay. So where we have to apply, first of all click on the border of the cell. So border of the cell is there. Just imagine the border of the cell of the table to apply the selected style, and whenever you have selected like this one, so you will see the border style of this cell will be changed according to the option which you have selected. This is the border style. And when your work is finished, that time you will use the step 6. Press ESC key. Press ESC key. This key is known as escape key. At the left hand side, at the top you will find this. There will be the ESC key, and you will put the cursor at that ESC key and click on the ESC key. You will find the border style which you have selected in the table. The border of the cell will be changed according to your need or selection. Now the next topic, the students, to apply the same border of all other cells. To apply same borders of all the cells, how we can use this thing. To apply the same border of all other cells. See here what we are going to do. The border which you have selected, according to this border, now we are going to apply the same border style to all the cells. What you can do? See here the step 1. Step 1. Select the required cells and click on border. Select the required cells and click on border from the border. Click on border from the Click on border from the border groups. From the border group. Border group of where you will find of design tab. Design tab. And then you will take the step 2. And step 2, select all border option. Select all border option. Now see, to apply the same border style or border of all other cells. So what you have to do? Simply you will select the required cells and click on border from the border group of design tab. In the design tab you will find the border style will be there, and you can select the design or select the style. And then you will take the step 2. Select all border option. So if you have selected all the borders which you have created in a table, and when you have selected all the border option there and click on it, you will find according to your need which you have to change. So apply the same border style of all the borders of the table will be displayed on the screen. This is to apply the same border of all the other cells. After that, next shading, to apply shading. To apply shading. See here, each and every one we are performing with the help of the step. Step 1. Select the entire table. Select the entire table or the cells whose border or cell shading or cell shading has to be changed. Then you will take the step 2. Step 2. Click on design tab. Click on design tab. Then step 3. Step 3 you have to take now. Select the color from or click on shading. Click on shading option from the table system group. From the table style group. From table style group. And fourth, select the color. Step 4. Select the color. Select the color from the gallery. So, students, these are the steps by which we can apply any shading. First of all, step 1, select the entire table or the cells whose border or cell shading has to be changed. So, here we can select the entire table or the cells whose border or cell shading has to be changed. So, it's depend upon you which type of change you want to make in the entire table. You can after selecting the cells. The first step. After that, step 2, click on design tab. So you will find an icon will display there, that is the design tab. You will put the cursor on design tab and click on the design tab. So the design you have selected here. Step 3, click on shading from the table style group. Which type of shading you want to use in your table? So you will select from the table style group. A window will display, in that one you will find the table style group is there. So here from the table style group we can select any shading here. Select the color from the gallery. So the box will display here the different colors in the form of like this one, red, blue, green, and like this one. So many colors are there. And which type of colors you want to apply in your table, you can select the color from here from the gallery, and select the color from the gallery and click the mouse. You will find the color which you have selected, that will be applied in your table or in the cells. Okay students, next topic I will describe. Again I will revise in the next video. Okay, thank you.